Rancho makes it easy to level and give your truck an aggressive look with their 3-inch suspension kit for the Chevy Silverado. Unlike a basic leveling kit, this 3-inch addition gives you the ability to add bigger tires up to 33 inches and keep a nice lifted stance without the intense installation. The 3-inch suspension system features a set of Tubular performance upper control arms, so you're really getting an awesome performance and durability. Rancho has engineered the control arms to maintain the ball joint in its normal operating range. Plus, they provide additional wheel travel and caster to aid in alignment, meaning you're getting more control and a better ride with the factory control arms on lifted applications. Like other Rancho kits, the arm features a pre-installed replaceable ball joint and OE-style rubber bushings. You don't have to worry about maintaining the control arms with this kit thanks to Zerk fittings for easy maintenance and a quieter ride. The 3-inch system for the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 also features Rancho's popular RS 9000 XL leveling struts and rear shocks. This is going to give you superior comfort and off-road performance. Rancho has also designed this suspension system not to affect the electronic stability control system, plus it maintains OE alignment specs. The 3-inch suspension system for the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 by Rancho is backed by a limited lifetime warranty.